Hey, what's going on, people? Today I'm gonna make you a penicillin. It's an awesome cocktail that was created by a gentleman named Sam Ross right here in New York City. It has ginger syrup, honey, fresh lemon juice, and whiskey. And this is how I make it. I'm gonna start with half an ounce of ginger syrup, quarter ounce of honey syrup, 3/4 ounce of lemon, and 2 ounces of our blended Scotch. There we go. Just get some ice. We're gonna give this a quick shake. And there you have it, the penicillin. If you watched my video on how to make a gimlet with the 2 3/4 principle, this is the same principle. It's only that we split up the syrup in 2. But technically it's still 2 ounces of spirit, 3/4 ounce of syrup, and 3/4 ounce of lemon. So I hope that makes sense. Anyway, if you like this video, you enjoy my shirt, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, please leave me a comment, and thank you so much for watching.